everybody, Eugene Hughes, Motorized. So here's a question I hear a lot from people, or a lot of people profess. I go out and I buy that premixed fuel for my motorized bike, or they ask the question, hey, should I use that stuff here? It doesn't have that evil ethanol in it, which just destroys carburetors and all that stuff here. It's just horrible stuff. I pay 15 to 20 bucks a gallon for fuel, is what I'm hearing. What? Why on earth do you want to pay that much? Don't. You don't need it, okay? Look, what you're spending on 1 gallon, where are we at? Well, you're spending on 1 gallon, you can buy you an extra carburetor and have you a spare carburetor. It's not that hard to clean these things. I got videos, there's videos everywhere showing how to clean a carburetor, so it's not rocket science or brain surgery. Keep your carburetors clean by cleaning the damn things, and run just cheap ass gas you get at the gas station. Get you the cheapest 2-stroke oil you can get. Premix it in there 40 to 1. Get you a syringe here. You're looking at 95 milliliters per gallon. I'll also have, for you folks who are all, who are metric and don't believe in that gallon crap like we got here in good old America there. I got the mix down there for you, but run 40 to 1. Use the cheap oil, cheap pump gas. If you've got a high compression engine and you're hearing knocking, okay, go with a higher octane fuel, but whatever, 89 octane is fine. Don't spend all that money. Spend money on an expansion chamber. Hopefully I helped you out. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Thanks for watching.